Hi YouTube world, sorry for my awkwardness and lack of general professionalism, because I'm not a professional at all. And if you're watching this video, welcome. This is my first video, so hopefully it goes well. It probably won't, honestly, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you stumble upon this video, you're most likely one of my friends that I'm showing it to, or maybe you're some poor soul that thought they could learn how to make chicken fried rice from me. Which you will. So yeah, let's get started.
Doesn't that look good? Well, it tastes even better. But let's have you guys be the judge of that when you guys make it for yourselves. Here are the ingredients that you're gonna need.
Half an onion, diced. 2 eggs, scrambled. 1 large chicken breast, diced. 2 rations of bacon, cut into strips. 2.5 cups of rice, cooked. 1 tablespoon of grated ginger.
Now, with the broccoli, of course, you do want to wash it first, but we want to cut the florets into small, bite-sized pieces. Now, the stem is very, very good for you, so don't you throw it away. Now, for the stem, what I usually like to do is just cut it into slices, and then we're going to stack the slices up, not too high, and we're going to cut them one way, and then we're going to turn it and cut them the other way to get a nice dice on them. Not too fine, but a little bit smaller because they do take a little bit longer to cook than the florets. Alright, the last ingredient we have here is garlic. Now, we're looking for 2 to 3 large cloves of garlic. That is quite a lot, but that's just my preference. If you don't like garlic as much, you don't have to use as much. Wow, I'm going fast. Wow, if I could only do that in real life. Just give me a couple more years. I'll be there. Okay, I lied. Very lastly, we have onion, 2 sprigs. That's how much we're going to be using. Now, we're going to cut off the ends and... Hold up. Let's slow that down for a second. Slow it down for a second. Okay. Yeah. So much crap on it. Sorry about that. That was very professional, Raymond. Oh, that's how you hold a knife, by the way. Alright, fine. Let's start cutting. Let's speed this back up. So, when you're cutting it, you do want to cut on a bias or at an angle. Okay, you want to cut them really, really thin. We're going to use them for both garnish and throw it in at the last minute right before we plate. Okay, so you see those little bits right there? You want to pull those off, the ends. You don't want those. They're not going to taste good. They're all bruised. And yeah, we're just going to finish this up and move on to the seasoning. So for the seasoning, you see this teaspoon right here? Yeah, we're not going to be using that. We're going to eyeball everything. So let's start. Let's use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of chili garlic paste. This stuff is freaking delicious. We're also going to be adding 1 teaspoon of honey, just for some added little sweetness in the background there. We're also going to add 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Now, this stuff is very, very strong, so don't use too much of it. Okay. Oh, we also have sesame oil, but we're not going to be using sesame oil just yet. We're going to use that towards the end of the dish, okay? And then now we're just going to mix everything up, and that's it. She's good to go. Let's finally start cooking now.
We're going to render out the bacon first. Now for that you need a medium low heat. I like to start off with a very low heat first and then turn it up little by little to medium as you let the fat render out. Now the bacon, we don't really need a lot of bacon, so there's only 2 rations. The bacon isn't going to provide us a whole lot of fat. We're not looking for that. We're looking more for the smokiness of the bacon. We're going to let the bacon render out. Alright, hopefully everyone's paying attention because this is going to go by really fast. So in a big wok on medium-high heat, we're going to add a little bit of vegetable oil, a little bit of the bacon fat that we rendered out, just a teaspoon of it. Okay, nice and hot. First, we're gonna add the onions. Good. Always make sure you have a hot pan. You never start off with a cold pan. From here, I'm gonna throw in the eggs that we had. And down it goes. Now with the eggs, once it's down, you want to constantly move it. You don't want it to settle. The eggs are almost fully done. We're going to make a little well for the chicken. We'll add the chicken in. break it up so it doesn't stick too much. Okay, these are just about good. We're gonna add our broccoli in. Next, I'm gonna add the garlic. You don't wanna add the garlic too soon, otherwise it's gonna burn. Add the garlic, add the ginger. From here, we add in the rice. Now, I'm actually gonna throw the bacon that we made. I'm gonna throw them in now, because we didn't render it out completely. There's still a little bit of fat left in it. So with that fat, it's gonna start rendering into the rice too. Good. This is the perfect time to add our chicken broth. Now, this, it's not E.D. Smith berries. It's not jam, okay? It is chicken broth. So now we're gonna add the seasoning that we made. All right, this is gonna go by very fast. Gotta caramelize the soy sauce and the honey just a little bit. And then of course, you always need to do a little taste test. Holy crap, that's actually good. Okay, I'm actually gonna, from this point, turn off the heat. Remember this guy? The sesame oil? The sesame oil is gonna give it a nice fragrance, just a teaspoon. Yes, a little bit more. Again, we are Asian, so we add that. Last little bit, we're gonna add the green onions that we have cut before. Give it one last stir. One last toss. Done. Oh, finally done. What? Oh, this? Yeah, sorry, I kind of added a fried egg on top and also some nori, some seaweed that I thinly sliced up. I'm hungry. Time to eat, man. Okay, watch this. Watch this. Plow. Plow. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, gosh. Sorry, I just had to do that. Okay, so let's see how this actually tastes. Let's get some chicken. You didn't see that. It was actually really, really good. The chicken isn't overcooked. Honestly, the fried egg on top is just extra. You don't have to be extra like me. I mean, the nori is actually really good. The nori I might add next time. But the fried egg, you don't need it. You already have egg in there. I just like yolk, that's why. Now, with the broccoli is really good. It's not overly cooked, it's not mushy. The bacon gives it a slight smokiness, just a hint of it. It's like in the back of your mouth. You go, what the hell is that? It's bacon, my friend. Bacon is good in anything. Even donuts. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my first video ever. Chicken fried rice. The rest of the recipe is going to be all in the description below. So if you have any suggestions, any advice, any praise, any constructive criticism, or criticism, you can let me know in the comments below. As you can see, I'm not that professional. It isn't a very structured recipe, but that's the fun of cooking. You shouldn't be following a recipe to the T, unless you're baking, and that's why I don't bake, okay? I'll have guests to bake for me, but I'm not baking. But when I'm making food like this, it's on the fly. You never really know what you're gonna get, and every time it might be a little bit different, but that's a good thing. Life is about exploring and trying new things. This channel hopefully will push me to try other cultures, other cuisine. Moroccan? Why not? Burmese? Sure. Vegan? No, no, I cannot do vegan. I love my meat too much. I love bacon too much. But if you're vegan, more power to you, okay? Oh, sorry. So, I'll catch you guys later. Again, please like, comment, share, subscribe, share. That'd be awesome. Hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye. Hi YouTube world. Hi YouTube world. Can you see that I'm not wearing pants? Wasting footage here. Wasting footage. Bye.